Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to change alarm sound. In the beginning, let's go to clock. And enter one of your alarms or create new one. Now go to ringtone, allow, and select new alarm sound from the list of the system sounds. Or from your custom sounds. Go back, confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.